Here's Kaden, 2 months old this morning. Here he is playing his keyboard again. Hey Kaden. Ooh. Today we have his 2 month checkup. We'll see how heavy he is. There you go. You're getting really good at this, huh, Kaden? Hi. Hi.